Hello everybody, we are back with another haul of yarn from Hobbii. I'm not entirely sure what all I have here. I do have 3 full bags, one of which I opened to pull out the 2 internal bags, so I'm pretty sure this is probably another bunch of cotton yarn. So we will get into it together and see what we have. So pretty exciting. I actually ordered it a while ago and I've just been waiting to open it, so we'll see what we've got. Okay, looks like we are starting with cotton. We have Cotton Kings 8-4 from Hobbii. And this is the, it looks like it's a navy color. Sometimes it's hard to see, but you can see this is, I'm wearing a black dress and this is navy. It's a very dark navy though, it's very pretty. And we have more navy. These are all the Cotton 8-4 of the Cotton Kings. So, that's good. Ooh, this is a pretty color. And this is the Friends Cotton 8-8. It looks like a little bit of a looser weave. If you can see the difference here from the 8-4 here. This one looks a little bit, I don't know, they just feel a little bit different. They're nice, squishy texture though. But I like this green. I'm a big fan of green, so this is really pretty. And then we have a red. This is the Rainbow 8-8, also a cotton. And I actually found a pattern, well, an old piece of a family member. It is a cotton coaster, and so I'm thinking I might be making some cute little coasters soon. And then we have kind of a couple of skeins of the Cotton Kings 8-4. And it's kind of this magenta pinky color. I don't know. It says it's color number 32, which is not super informative for some of us. But yes, pretty color if you like pink. I'm not a huge fan, but that's why whenever I get pink yarn in one of these grab bags, I make something for my sister who is a huge fan, and I give it to her, and she's always absurdly grateful. So here we have a couple skeins of the Friends Cotton 8-4. And it is kind of a taupey color, like a taupe. So it's pretty, very neutral. Go with almost anything. The other thing I was thinking to do with all this cotton is I could make some granny squares or something and do something out of that. Oh, this is another of the Cotton Kings 8-8, and I think that's the same green color. Is that the same green color? It is not the same green color. So we have 2 green colors now, both of which I am a fan of. And these balls are 50 grams, so they're kind of on the small side, but I have a lot of them. All right, here we have kind of a baby pink in the Rainbow 8-6 quality cotton from Hobbii. I love the Easy Start ribbons, like start here. These entertain me to no end. So this is a pretty color. It's kind of a soft shell pink. What else we got? Oh, there's a nice blue. Kind of, it's not quite a sky blue. It's a little grayer than that. But it's pretty. And it's We Love Yarn Simple 8-4 cotton. Oh, yep, here's another of the green, of this green. So we have 2 of these now, which is great because I like this green and I like how squishy this Friends 8-8 is. Oops. And then here we have a gray color. Nice, soft kind of heather gray, and this is the Rainbow 8-8, although I think I have this backwards, so you guys probably can't read any of these, but still, Rainbow 8-8. These are 2 different colors. I was like, these look like they're 2 different colors, and they are. In fact, this one is like a little bit darker on the top. This one's a little more yellow. This is the Friends Cotton 8-4. And then this one is the Rainbow 8-6 cotton. Each of these grab bags from Hobbii for the cotton, I believe, contain 20 skeins. So it is quite a haul. And the price is not bad either. Here we have another pink color. This one's a little bit lighter than this one and darker than this one. So we have quite a few pinks here. And this one is a cotton, Friends Cotton 8-4. Last two in this bag. So this one is a kind of a mustardy yellow color. And it is the Cotton Kings 8-8. All very, very squishy. I like them. Oh, this is a beautiful color. This is the Friends Cotton 8-8 as well. And it's kind of a peacock green blue color, teal. Very pretty. Wish I had more of this one. So that's that bag. Let's dive into the next, shall we? I might have to break this up into a few different videos. There's a lot of yarn here. Okay. So here we have a brown rainbow 8-8 quality. And it's a nice chocolatey brown color. So that would actually be quite pretty with this color, I think. A different yellow. So I guess this one's more of a mustard yellow. This one is more of a golden yellow. So if you can kind of see the different tones there. And this is a rainbow 8-8 cotton as well. Oh, okay. This one. Rainbow. Oh, this is a lace. Okay, so this is more like a thread. This is a cotton thread. So it says it's 100% mercerized cotton. And it's like a spool almost. So that is interesting. It says it's for a 1.5 millimeter hook. I've never worked anything this small, so that would be a new one for me. But and it's I think it's black or really dark gray. It's kind of hard to tell. It's got a nice sheen to it though, so the light is catching it and making it hard to say for certain if it's dark gray or black. Oh, then we have a very nice bright orange Friends Cotton 8-6. Pretty orange, beautiful. This is We Love Yarn. This is 100% recycled cotton. So this is interesting because it's a very, very different texture from all the other yarn I've pulled out. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just very different. And it's not as soft or squishy as the other yarn. It's a little bit firmer. But so this would be one that would be perfect for those coasters. But I wouldn't want to use it for clothes, I don't think. Oh, here is another pinky color. Brighter pink. I would probably call this a fuchsia. Very bright pink. Friends Cotton 8-4. Okay, love how squishy these are. And this one is a rainbow 8-8 cotton, and it is like a really bright chili kind of red. Almost orange, but definitely still red. Okay, so here's another of the recycled We Love yarn in the same color as the other one. So, but you can see the difference in the fibers here. Very, very just different. Not bad, just different. Here's another one of the chocolates. 8-8 rainbow. And a pretty yellow. This is same color as the other one we had, so now we're up to 2. And these are the Rainbow 8-8 qualities. Oh, hey, a white. This might be the first white one I've had. So this is the Rainbow 8-8, and it is just a very clean, pure white. Here we have Rainbow 8-4, and it's kind of somewhere between a crew and a taupe. So it's pretty. I think I have another skein of that. Oh, there's 2 of this one. This is also the recycled yarn. It's interesting. It is softer than this one. See how kind of firm this one is? It doesn't so much give. This one is very, very spongy. See the difference? Yeah, so that's weird to me that this color is so much different from this one. So both of these skeins of the orange recycled are pretty soft. This one is just very, very firm. So, interesting. I like that orange color though. Beautiful. Oh, this will make something pretty. This is the Friends, Rainbow Cotton 8-4. And it's the printed, so it's all these different pastel, beautiful colors. I have friends who really like rainbow colors, so I'm thinking that's right up their alley. Here is another of the recycled cottons, and this is in kind of an olive color, which I love. And it is actually, this is so funny, it is somewhere between this one, which is, you know, really firm, and this one, which is pretty soft. So it's like somewhere, it's probably just a little bit firmer than this one. I don't know if you can see the difference in how much it's kind of giving, but yeah, just a little bit different. Pretty colors though. You could, if you wanted to do like a pumpkin or something for Halloween, these would be good ones. A little decoration. And we have another of the Rainbow 8-8 in that kind of chili red color. Oh, Rainbow 8-4. This is a print, so it's got some of those really pretty blues and purples. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. I like purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Ooh, and here is another of the Rainbow Cotton 8-4 quality, and it is a printed, but it's a teal. It's teals, different kind of aquamarine colors. So yes, another beautiful color. I almost feel like these two would actually go quite well together if you needed them together for something. And then, oh, lovely Cotton 8-4 Friends Black. You can always use black. And that is the end of this haul, these 2 bags. So I think I'm going to do another video for the other bags, because this one is already almost to 14 minutes. So nice to see you. Hope you enjoyed the yarn haul, and I will see you in a little bit.